welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a Albedo cause test. I don't know how it's gonna go. We will actually have to see because I have not done this in about 2 years. I'll put a photo up here to show you loves, but I haven't done this in cosplay in a while, so it's kind of embarrassing for me, but you know, we'll figure it out together. Honestly, I think the reason I did Albedo was because of Dragonspine and how that was so hyped up. And now nobody goes there. Like, I don't even go there unless it's for hide and seek, and that's actually where I hide for my Genshin characters because no one wants to go there and it's the best hiding spot. There's one that I always pick and never fails. It just frustrates players. So that's why people don't play hide and seek with me. But yeah, let's get into it. stuff, so my makeup is complete. I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's just hope it's gonna be okay. So I got this wig, and we'll see, because I've never tried a blonde like this before, and it's a little bit lighter than what I'm used to. I actually usually use like a darker blonde or lighter. This one's a little bit of like a sandy blonde. I haven't actually styled this wig, so this will be interesting how it comes out, and I think I'm gonna keep the braid in because I'm not gonna be able to put it back. So we'll have to see how it looks. Wish me luck. I might have to go off camera and actually style this because it is a mess. Like, it's such a mess right now, and I'm gonna put a wig cap on because it's just a mess. I'll be right back. It's looking a little bit better, but not by much. Obviously this would need to be styled, but for what I have it at right now, it's okay. It's decent. Like I said, I don't have this styled, so I'm gonna have to go and style it and off camera and then do my photo shoot. But I will see you loves later. Thank you for staying, and I hope you have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please comment below who your Genshin team is. I'd like to know. Recently, mine's been Xingqiu, Changyun, Albedo, and Qiqi. But I will see you loves later.